Hi guys, Robin here from WTI. Let's check out these fantastic Graywind blinds. Smart coupled shades can be used over larger areas and are also great at reducing overall costs. So this one here is a custom design. You can see this was my previous setup. It was a large curtain and the window just looked messy. It interfered with the sofa and it wasn't a look I was happy with. After the Graywind curtains were installed to my specific measurements, you can see just the change that it makes. It looks so professional. It really opens up the space. I love I get a warm glow with privacy as well. Installation was very straightforward. After some meticulous measuring, drilling, I was ready to install the roller blinds. They come pre-labeled and are really easy to install just based on that. From left to right, you have the 1, 2, and 3, and it shows all measurements on the packaging as well. So if you have different sizes, you'll know where they go. Drilling into the roof was the only difficult part because it was into concrete, but if you have a standard plaster or wooden area to drill it in, it would be super easy breezy. The rollers themselves sit really easily in the provided frames and interlock with each other really well. I do recommend having 2 people for larger windows though, as I did need some assistance with this one just to hold it in place while I fixed on the next blind. So definitely recommend 2 people if you have a huge window. Other than that, I am in love with my system. I can sit on the sofa and with one simple click, the sun no longer is in my eyes and I'm no longer blinded by the light. It's just such a perfect look to be able to have a super warm glow without that direct harsh sun that I deal with in the afternoon. However, I still get the benefit of the sun by using this solar panel to keep my motor charged. I love that I can use this, otherwise I would have to hardwire it into my wires. So this is super simple to install. You have the surface and 2 sticky tabs on the side, and you can just be put in inconspicuously up on the top or the side or whichever suits your window. I love the fact that these are light filtering and not complete blackout because I do love the warm glow that you get from the afternoon. I just hate that harshness. And that's my point of view.